Holy crap, I'm amazed that... I'm still amazed that this still works. That's amazing, man. Alright. Yes, we're back. I just felt like it. But today, I am inside of Animal Company like I always am. Right now we are in the arena mode, but today we are going to check out the new creator place or whatever. So we can have like a green screen. We have like a setup. We can like make movies. It's amazing. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that. My eyes are not polar bear, but alright, let's get straight into the video. Alright, here we are in non-arena Animal Company. As you can see, since the last time we've played, it's surely updated. I don't know if it's high quality or low quality the way it is now, but I just hope that they bring back the Frozen like in the winter update, if they do, because that update was probably the best update ever, I'm not gonna lie. It gave us so many, oh my goodness. Look at that. It's a fully green screen. And best of all, we have a buy thing in here. So
now I'm big. I feel like this does a lot more than the regular broccoli if I'm big. Okay, let's go check out the other spots. I can't even put these
small. So we got a building over here where you can like film you going ooh ooh I am Goofer the monster. Oh wait, hold up. We need to refilm that. Oh, please. Alright. Guys, breaking news. There's a giant gorilla inside of the whatchamacallit zone. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh. Alright. Okay, let's retry that. But this time with a baseball bat. Breaking news! There's a giant baseball player roaming around town. Home run! Home run! Alright. Wait, have I been facing the camera the wrong way the whole time? Alright, I don't think you guys saw that, but... Alright, next zone. Alright. Oh, look at that. Good news? Okay, canopy news. What's good news? Oh, good news is the blue, but bad news is red. That's bad. I swear, if one of my friends join while I'm making a solo video, I'm gonna crash out. Oh, and here we have a maze. You gotta come see, there's a giant golden lady. Ah, there she is! Die! Ouch! Ow! I forgot it's made of gold. We're gonna have to defeat it in some other way than punching it. Actually, never mind. I'm still defeating it. I think it's good to the ground. Anyways, let's see what's over here. Ew. Look away, that's just my gaming station and where I edit my videos. Look at her over there. It is not good over there. Okay, that was stage 4. What's... Ew, no. Stage 5. If I fall, I think I'll fly. Yeah.
Touch me, might as make me part of your desire. None to guide us, I feel fear for the very last. Restless, losing sleep while I lose my mind. No stress, all my muses left behind.
What's that? I'll go check that out later. Holy moly, this is a giant garage. Alright, time to do this. Guys, there's a giant flying Superman that loves bombing people inside my garage. Oh, I am the flying Superman. Oh, I'm gonna die because I bombed my...
I can still fly because I'm the flying Superman. I'm immortal. What was that sound? Tell me please what that sound is. Please, 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 please. I don't think you would have heard that. Wait, no, no! Don't leave me!
Whoa, I just respawned right there. Alright, let's see what else I bought.
While I lose my mind. No stress, all my muses left behind.
It's just a knockoff ray gun. Okay, what's this? How do I activate it? How do I activate it? Whoa, I'm a robot. Whoa. Is that my body? Holy, that's ugly. Look away, that does not look normal. Please do not look right there. Wait, I think I'll be visible up here. Ah, dang it. Hello? Hi! Oh no, my thing! I'm gonna get this. Got this, I got this. No, I missed. Alright. I'll do it with my super knockoff ray gun. Yeah. Time to do some crazy. Okay, since you didn't see the full thing of what I did just now, let me demonstrate what happened. This useless piece of junk. Oh no! I killed my owner to be alive. Oh no! And that's exactly what happened. See you in the next video. Ugh.
Use a secret weapon.
Okay, you asked for it.